Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. And today's quick gardening tip is really about giving you a peace of mind. When you buy tomatoes, tomatoes are a vine and they naturally want to fall over. They want to root. They can root anywhere along the stem. But when you have transplants and you get, maybe 3-4 days of rainy weather, humid weather, your tomatoes may get bumps all along the stem that look like this. And people usually panic because it looks like some sort of alien. Those are just root nodes. The tomato is actually trying to send out roots, and the rain and the moisture around here causes them to think that they're touching the ground. They sense the moisture and they start to root, and that's all that is. That's not any kind of pest or disease or any kind of problem. Here's a couple examples of what they can look like. And all of that is nothing you have to be concerned about. And when you would plant this tomato, just plant it in the ground to about this depth. Let those roots do their thing and come out into the ground. Here's one more example. You can see that these are more established, but those are nothing more than roots. So again, when you plant your tomato, plant, 1/4 to 1/3 of the stem. These roots will develop. They will go out along the surface and it will help the plant pull in nutrients. So when you see the bumps on the stems, that's nothing you need to worry about. You don't have any kind of pest problem or disease problem. That's perfectly normal for a tomato plant. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please check it out our YouTube channel, because we will be doing a lot of videos on quick gardening tips, different profiles on different tomatoes, all kinds of videos to help you with your garden, and we're not going to be running any ads. Thanks for watching.